How to use a promo code on Draftkings. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, we will go to the Draftkings website or open up the Draftkings app, and we will access the promo code section. So if you're a new user signing up, you'll be prompted to enter a promo code during the registration process. If you already have an account, for existing users, promo codes can typically be entered during a deposit or in the promotions section. Here's what we have to do. You open up the app. You navigate to the cashier or deposit section, which is usually found in your account or wallet. When making a deposit, you should see an option to enter a promo code before completing the deposit. The next step will be entering the promo code itself. So type the promo code into the provided field exactly as it appears, making sure to include any capital letters or special characters. Once we've entered it, proceed with your deposit or registration, and the promo or bonus should be applied to your account. The fourth step will be verifying that the promo code is applied. So after you've entered the promo code and made a deposit, if it was required of you, check your bonus balance or promotions to ensure that the bonus has been applied to your account. Sometimes Draftkings may send you an email confirming that the promotion is active. So that's how you do it. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.